Breaking news today from Google I/O 2024. Google has just dropped a bombshell by announcing its official support for Kotlin Multiplatform. This is a game changer for all mobile developers out there that's set to revolutionize the way we approach mobile and cross-platform development in general. Stay tuned with me to discover what this means for you, your workflow, and the future of Flutter. Hi guys, my name is Yannick Reis. I hope you're doing well and I welcome you to a new video. Even if today in my room are like 30 degrees and I'm a little bit sweating and all these lamps around me don't make it better, I couldn't hold back to record this video to share this exciting news with you. Even if Kotlin Multiplatform, or in short KMP, just went stable a few months ago, many of us have already been using it to share their code across Android, iOS, web, or even desktop. While this framework is still somewhat new in the game, with Google's official backing, we can now move forward with even more confidence into KMP's future. Google has now thrown its weight behind the framework, announcing official support in a blog post as part of Google I/O 2024. But that's not the only resource. Kotlin Multiplatform is now also mentioned in a Google I/O wrap-up as one of the points to strengthen developer productivity. For us developers, this should definitely give us another huge boost of confidence to argue the case for using this framework with various stakeholders, whether be at work or if you are struggling with yourself as a solo developer, whether it is a good decision to use the framework in your project. While there are already various approaches from Google for migrating established Android libraries to Kotlin Multiplatform, we can safely assume that these endeavors will be taken even further in the future. By now you can, for example, already use the Android X data store or even alpha versions of the Jetpack Compose Room, Lifecycle, and even the ViewModel library. Even Google itself now leverages the benefits of sharing the business logic across platforms in their own Google Docs apps for Android, iOS, and web, which is expected to be rolled out soon. In the mentioned blog post, they also tell about established KMP compatible libraries, like the known Ktor or Kotlin X serialization. Even the Ski library, which helps to improve the iOS developer experience and will be also featured in one of my upcoming videos, got a shout out. If you are a Flutter developer, you might already heard about some rumors about some layoffs around the Flutter team at Google. With the news of Google promoting another cross-platform library, you may are now even more concerned about the future of Flutter. But don't worry, I have some good news for you. In another blog post on the Google for Developers blog, Google confirmed ongoing support for both Flutter and Kotlin Multiplatform. Google recommends Kotlin for leveraging the latest Android features using Jetpack Compose for high-quality, hardware-integrated apps. For sharing business logic, on the other hand, Kotlin Multiplatform should be your solution. However, when you need to share both UI and business logic and want to remain in one code base, Flutter remains the recommended choice for providing a consistent experience on Android, iOS, web, and desktop. But with Google's deeper and deeper incorporation with JetBrains, we need to see if one day maybe the emerging Compose multiplatform will take Flutter's place. And at the end, like the video, subscribe if you're interested in Kotlin Multiplatform, Compose Multiplatform, or the whole ecosystem around it, and make sure to activate the notification bell. I hope to see you soon.